I got these solar post lights which go right on top of the post. So you take off the cap, which is this. I use the rubber mallet. You just pop it off. So this, it comes with screws. You screw it in. Oh, you could screw it in from here. There's two little holes there. And this piece comes off, which you just turn here. Pops right off, so you could screw it in. And this is the light. The light has an on and off switch right there. Let's see if you could see it. There you go. So right now it's on the off position, and you just it to the on position, and it's solar powered. Now this piece goes in here. This piece goes right here. No, the white piece goes in here, and you can see these little hooks right here go into there. So you put it in a little bit at an angle, turn it, and locks in place, and this just snaps into here, and there you go. And actually it says to fit 4x4 vinyl post, so 4x4 inch, and right here it says 3.5 by 3.5. And the entrance, or on the side of my house. These are the solar post lights. They come in a 6-pack. These are the screws that come with it. So if it's two sizes, 3.5 by 3.5, or 4 inches vinyl post. So remove this for the 4 inches and leave this in for the 3.5. So it's 4 inches by 4 inches or 3.5 by 3.5. I've set them up in the entrance of my house to light up the walkway. 2 on the steps, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the front. I'll show you what they look like once the sun goes down.